So today I'm going to show you straw bale gardening, which is pretty much what it sounds. You use a straw bale. I'm up here in the Bruce Peninsula where there's a lot of rock and not much soil. So the locals use straw bales to grow vegetables. So you can see there's the straw bale underneath there. And all they do is they get a straw bale early part of spring and they pepper it with fertilizer and water. You do that morning and evening for about 4 days, sometimes 6 days, depending on what fertilizer you're using. And then plant your seeds and sprinkle a little topsoil, and just like that. I'll show you what kind of yield you can get from a straw bale garden. So cucumber, I mean, that's a small one, but some of them can grow pretty big, almost gargantuan. There's one, and he'll usually get 30 or 40 in this bale. Great for tomatoes, zucchini, pumpkin, anything that spreads out over a large area, tomato plants. And then just a regular garden here. We got strawberries with some beans, beets, Swiss chard, kale, tomato plants. And then another garden over here. We've got cabbage. Looks like a cabbage here. So cabbage, and a little trick I just learned is when you're growing onions, you crush down the tops, where it will make the bulbs bigger, as opposed to letting them grow outright and longer. You get smaller bulbs. So just by simply stomping down the onion tops, you get a better yield. Tomatoes, got some beans, tomatoes, lettuce over there, some beets, and zucchini. Now with the advantage with the straw bales is the zucchini and the pumpkin and squash can grow out and long, and you'll see here where one stalk has grown quite a ways. Now I've seen these stalks grow 20 and 30 feet from the actual garden, and one year we found pumpkin way over there by that tree. So anyway, that's a straw bale garden.